Hello everyone, it's Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make this look together, this makeup tutorial. This will be makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. I hope you like it, guys. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. So I'm gonna starting with my primer, which is Catrice Prime Base, a small amount on my cheeks, and then I'm going to blend it also in my eyelids. Now, from the Boudoir Eyes eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, I'm gonna grab this In the Buff eyeshadow with a small sponge and I will just blend it under my eyebrows. And this will help me just to blend eyeshadow in the... Now I'm gonna take this Rich Ground Gel Liner from MAC and I'm going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm applying with this flat pencil. So now I will go to take from my Naked True palette from Urban Decay. I will take this Half Baked, this goldish color, and I'm gonna to blend it with the Lost, which is the eyeshadow from the Feminine palette of Urban Decay. And I will use this kind of pencil brush. And I'm going to use this from Naked True, which is like a cold brownish eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend it in the outer V of my eyelid. So now for the highlight, I'm gonna use this flat pencil with the Beauty Call, which is this shiny rose eyeshadow from Naked True palette, and I'm gonna blend it just here under my eyebrows. And then I will take this clean and fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend everything together. Back to Half Baked, this gold color, and I'm just with my finger, I just tap here at the center of my eyelid. Just to make the gold color more bright. Now I'll apply eyeliner. I'm gonna use this pencil, which is very thin, and I'm gonna use Lowlights, which is this really dark brown from MAC. Now mascara, I'm gonna use I Love Extreme by Essence and pencil in the lower lid. This is brownish with glitters and I'm gonna apply this only in the outer part of the eyelid. This is the final look of the eye. And now I'm gonna take my Melba blush from MAC, which is this color, and I'm gonna apply just on the cheek. Then I'm gonna blend this color with a powder. I'm using a sponge and I'm going to tap it on the blush and let it for a while. Now, as a highlight, I'm gonna use this Glow Gasm from Mulap, which is Italian brand, and this is a creamy highlight, this goldish color, and it's really nice. And I'm gonna use the sponge. With the tip of the sponge, which is really small, I'm going to take a bit of highlight and put it in the inner corner of my eye, also in the upper part of under my eyebrow here. Taking off the excess of powder from the cheeks. So for my lips, I'm gonna use on hold this Cream Sheen lipstick from MAC, which is kind of brownish color, which is really nice, and I'm gonna apply it all over. So after I apply my lipstick, I usually take a dry piece of napkin and I'm just tap it to remove the excess of lipstick, otherwise it will start to move and to go also on the face. The lipsticks again and tap it in this way. So guys, that's all from my side. Hope you like it. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. See you.